Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix no internet connection in App Store. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your settings, and from here just simply turn on and turn off your airplane mode. And from here guys, another option that you have is make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi over here. So tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to an internet. And now, once you have ensured that, and if the problem is still showing up, just go back to the settings, and from here, just simply go to the general. And after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down and go for iPhone storage over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and check your phone sufficient storage. So make sure you have enough storage. And another option that you have is just simply go back, and from here just simply go for the VPN and device management. And now from here, just make sure you are not connected to VPN and simply disconnect. And another option that you have is just simply go back, and down below you should be able to see here transfer or reset iPhone. And from here just simply tap on reset, and from here just simply tap on reset network settings, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. And another option that you have is just simply go to the settings, and from here just simply go ahead and go to the App Store. And after that, from here just simply go to the app automatic downloads, so make sure to turn this on. And from there you should be able to fix it, or you can just simply tap on this icon over here. And after that, just simply go to device and go to more. And from here, just simply tap on restart to fix the issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.